Dear students, today I am going to teach you another topic of Commercial Studies class 10, that is e-commerce. Before we have discussed about advertising, sales, promotion, marketing and sales. Now our next topic, and this is a trending topic, that is e-commerce. See, meaning of e-commerce. E-commerce stands for electronic commerce. E-commerce stands for electronic commerce, means it works electronically. It is a process of executing commercial activities. It is executing the commercial activities electronically. In the other words, e-commerce is the electronic trading of product, service and transmission of data through internet. Means in this, what we do? In e-commerce, what we do? We used to trade of products and services through internet. For example, simply I can tell you, for example, Flipkart. For Flipkart, we don't have to go to the market. We don't have to go to the market to shop anything. Simply, when we open Flipkart, a certain number of products are there. It displays their variety, their range, their brand, their size. Everything is displayed on Flipkart site. So what we can do? We can see the color options, their size, their brand, everything, price, everything we can see there. And simply through that, we can buy that product. See, e-commerce make our life easier. How? It makes the business transactions as well as the purchase of the consumer easy. We don't have to go to the market and search for the product. We don't have to go shop to search a particular product which we actually need. With the help of e-commerce, it is very classified. It is very classified. Directly we can purchase the things whichever we want from the producers. Moving on the next topic, that is benefits of e-commerce. And one more question comes, that is benefits of e-commerce over traditional method. Traditional method, what is traditional method? Traditional method, that only which we go to shop and buy goods and things. Next, see, benefits of e-commerce, better customer relationship. With the help of e-commerce, the relationship between the customer and the producer, it comes in direct contact. Means they don't have to see the channel of distributions. The manufacturer simply can contact the customer, and it is very easy to know the customer's taste, preference, choice about a particular product, and they can take their reviews directly. So it becomes very good for producers to maintain the relationship with the customers. Next, ready information about products and services. When the product is ready, they can immediately share the information regarding that particular product and services to their customers. It becomes very easy and effective way to connect the customers. The producers can directly connect the customers. Next, effective after sales service. See, e-commerce also provide after sales services. Many products, means the products which you actually need after sales services. So it also becomes very easy for the producer to directly contact, and when they will directly contact, they will immediately come to know about the problems faced by customers. So they can easily provide them after sale service benefits. Reduction in the transaction cost, time and energy. See, according to traditional method, what they have to do? First, they have to produce the thing. Then they have to see the channel of distribution, how to distribute their goods. Then it go to wholesaler, then retailer, then to the final consumer. But with the help of e-commerce, all the things, there will be a reduction in the cost, time and energy. It will save the cost of money which they have to do on the expenditure of channels of distribution. It will save time, it will save energy. Next, global reach and global choice. See, if I like Jaipuri print dupattas, what I can do? I have to go to Jaipur to purchase them? No. I simply order them from my home. I don't have to step out of my home. I simply open the site. Simply I can order them and it will be on with me within 4 or 5 days. I can simply order anything I want from my home without put a step out of my door. So it is global reach and global choice. Means whatever I want, I can easily purchase them, and it is worldwide. Any corner of the earth you can sit and you can simply order them and it will be delivered to your doorstep. See, these are the benefits of e-commerce, and you can write these benefits if the question arises. Benefits of e-commerce over traditional method or traditional way. So you can write this only. Dear students, now the next topic, difference between traditional business and e-business. Before we have discussed about e-commerce, now see. Difference between traditional business and e-business. Basis of distinction, formation. To form a traditional business, it is difficult. To form e-business, it's simple. Scope of going global, it's limited because they can't go globalized. But in e-business, it's wide. They can go. There is no boundary. Nature of contact with customers, direct contact, indirect contact, because the producers, they are not directly getting contact. But here they are getting direct contact. Next, personal touch. Here it is high because there is a face-to-face communication between the seller and the customer. Here low because they do not do the face-to-face communication. Here government support. Government support is low in traditional business but high in e-business. Why? Because the government is promoting the e-business facilities. The government is itself promoting the e-business facilities. These are the difference between traditional business and e-business. Moving on the next topic, that is meaning of e-retailing, that is also known as online retailing or e-tailing. See, e-tailing means selling goods in retail on the internet. Means they used to sell the goods, like as we saw the retail shops where we can purchase anything in any quantity, whatever we want. In the same way, they used to sell their goods on the internet. It is nothing but shopping through internet. Means as we shop on the retail shops, in the same manner we can shop it on the internet. And the other digital media, online retailers who provide a variety of merchandise to the customers. See, as I have told you before also, like what happened when we open Flipkart, we see a number of brands. Suppose I have to order one kurti, I can see the Zara also, W also, many are there. See, so simply what I will do, whichever brand, whichever color, whichever size I need, I can simply shop from there. Online retailing or e-retailing provides, these sites are there: Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, Big Basket, for that Food Basket, Big Basket, many are there. Mint Mantra, then Club Factory, a number of shop that online apps are there through which we can buy the daily items also, the necessary items which we required in our day-to-day life, that also we are able to purchase, and the items which we need, the clothes, accessories, then applicants, electronic gadgets, whatever we want, we can simply shop them on these sites. And see how we go to the market to shop one or two commodity. Same while we can shop here also, as much quantity we want or whatever we want, we can shop on these sites.